Hey friends, this is Coach Tanisha Marie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Hit the notification bell for updates on more upcoming videos. Hey guys. So, I'm in my back office of NovaTech. And basically, I just use this to grow my crypto. So I started with $833. I'm about to be over $1,200 with NovaTech. So I'm going to basically reinvest this. I'm going to reinvest this now. I'm 75, 74. So, let me wait. It's going a little slow. I'm going to reinvest it. So basically we compound our crypto every single week. We get anywhere from 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% on our money. So basically what I'm going to do here is now add 75, add the funds. So it's just simply a trading account. Okay, a simple trading account. Okay, as you can see right here, it's a PAMM, a whole PAMM account right here. You see what it says PAMM. Right here, it's a PAMM account. Okay, put my information in. 03. I'm gonna apply this. I gotta apply this. Put my information in right here. Okay. So basically, I did that. So I added the 75. Gotta agree to the terms and conditions. Now, NovaTech is a trading platform, so it teaches you how to trade for free. You set up a dummy account, you set up an MCAT account, you can set up a PAMM account where they do the trading for you, or you can set up a MCAT account where you learn how to trade. So they do Forex and they do crypto. So I'm on the crypto side. I started with $833. This is like an affiliate program. So I started with $833. Now I'm over $1,200. And let's go to validate this. Let's go to validate it for NovaTech. There goes my affiliate link if you guys are interested. And then all I do now is upgrade the account. And then now I'm reinvesting the money so it can go into my other balance so that it can be traded for the next week. I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to confirm. Confirm. Says, wait a moment. My computer screen is filthy. Okay. Okay, so basically, the total invested is basically invested. Now I can go to manage account. And I started with 500 in crypto, actually. I actually started with about 500 in crypto. And I put another $333, so that was about $833. I started with 500, and then in March I put another 300 in there. Put another 300 in there. So nobody's seeing my information, but they definitely have info here. It's my corporation, and of course you guys know you put your business name and your business. Okay, boom. So now it reinvested. So I have 74 cents left, because you really can't invest. You only can invest whole dollar amounts, reinvest. And now I'm over 1,200. So when I get to, so it may take me, so if it took me, let's do the math. I did $833. Okay. And they charge you $25 a month, okay, to have this like this, all right? So right now I'm at 1236 minus 833. So basically I made $400 in February, March, April, May, June. All right, so I made $400 in like 5 months. Okay, so let's just give it maybe to the end of the year to be at like $2,000. And guess what? This could be Christmas money. If I celebrate Christmas, if, you know, you're a person that celebrate Christmas, this could be Christmas money. Or, you know, if your birthday's in November, this could be, you know, birthday money. Or you can go buy more stocks. Or you can reinvest your money. Because remember, we're in a recession, guys. Inflation is high. If you don't have something that is growing your money at least 3 to 5% a year, you're losing money. So with NovaTech, we are literally growing our money 2 to 4% weekly. And this is crypto. All you gotta do is transfer your money to crypto and put it inside of here. This is legit affiliate program. This is legit trading program. They show you how to trade for free. So I got a link below you can click on. They literally show you how to trade in the Forex market and in crypto for free. Of course, if you want your money to grow, you definitely will have to deposit money into it. Now, of course, you know, there's no income claims, you know, there's not a get rich quick scheme or whatever. But I'm telling you, I started with 500 in February. Then I put another 300 in March. And then now I'm over 1,200. So I literally made $400. If I would have left that 500 or that 300 in my crypto, and we all know crypto is going down right now, I would have lost probably half of that. You know what I'm saying? I probably would have lost half of it. So, I mean, again, guys, you know, wealthy people know about opportunities that make their money grow, all right? The recession ain't hitting everybody hard, believe me. Everybody's not getting hard hit with the recession. Wealthy people are in position, rich people are in position, or people that just have the knowledge. You know what I'm saying? The people that have the knowledge, you know, basically, you know, is in, you know, position. So, you know, it's like you got to get yourself, you know, in position as well. So if you want to learn Forex for free, you want to learn about trading Bitcoin and crypto for free, just sign up with my link for free. You don't have to put no credit card information, no nothing. And now once you learn the stuff and you decide, you know what, I want to put 500, I want to put 300, and you can start with as little as $9. You literally can start with as little as $9. Okay, so I mean, you know, if you never do nothing different, you're never gonna get nothing different. So click on the link below. See you guys in the next video.